everyone, welcome to our Mobilink channel. Xiaomi, the world's best-selling electric scooter, has announced a new electric scooter, the 4 Ultra. In this video, we will take a closer look at its amazing features. First, let's talk about the bump cushioning that provides a smooth ride. Unlike previous Xiaomi electric scooters that had no suspension, the 4 Ultra now features upgraded front and rear suspension. The new dual suspension system effectively absorbs vibration and shock during riding, providing a better riding experience. In particular, the longer treble due to the design structure is expected to have excellent cushioning performance. Moving on to the tires, the upgraded 10-inch Xiaomi DuraGel tires ensure a comfortable and safe ride. With a diameter of less than 3.5 millimeters, the tires automatically recover from objects getting stuck, minimizing the risk of tire punctures and providing excellent durability. Surprisingly, the jelly-like layer of the tires quickly repairs any damaged areas, making it seem like there is no risk of tire punctures. The Xiaomi 4 Ultra electric scooter boasts a more powerful motor, providing more power. The 940 watts new motor is expected to outperform its competitors with the highest output among electric scooters in its class. With excellent energy efficiency and powerful acceleration, riding is possible on any terrain without slowing down on hills. The battery has also undergone a significant upgrade, increasing its lifespan. The 561.5 high-capacity lithium battery provides stable output and enables a range of up to 70 kilometers. Using the newly added 124 watts high-output adapter, it takes about 6.5 hours to fully charge. Now, let's explain the 4 driving modes. The highest Power S Plus mode allows a top speed of up to 25 kilometers per hour. The Sports Fashion mode allows smoother riding than S mode, with a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour. The Standard mode has a maximum speed of 20 kilometers per hour and provides very smooth riding. The Pedestrian mode is used when pushing the scooter at a maximum speed of about 6 kilometers per hour. The Xiaomi 4 Ultra scooter has a wider and higher handlebar and a larger deck. The frame, made of high-strength aluminum alloy, has been optimized for production and welding processes, making it durable and able to withstand a maximum weight of 120 kilograms. It also features excellent waterproof and dustproof capabilities with an IP55 rating. Using the Xiaomi Home app on your smartphone, you can check riding data, estimated range, and motor air notifications. To ensure safer night riding, you can also set the taillights to always be on in the Xiaomi Home app. Pressing the power button below the display when the vehicle is turned on will turn on the headlights. The Xiaomi 4 Ultra's stunning appearance is expected to have a significant impact on the electric scooter market at a reasonable price. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thank you for watching our channel.